What if I told you that a simple cup of tea could be more powerful than medicine? In a world where the pharmaceutical industry often seems more focused on profits than on your well-being, why are these teas, with their scientifically proven benefits, often overlooked? For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on healing teas to fight diseases, reduce inflammation, and boost overall health. Before we dive into the world of these incredible teas, if you are new to our channel, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss our upcoming contents. Let us know where you are watching from by dropping your country in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Today, I'll reveal 5 teas that work better than medicine and the science behind their incredible benefits. 1. Ginger tea, the ultimate anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Ginger tea isn't just for soothing an upset stomach. This spicy root is packed with bioactive compounds like gingerol, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies show that ginger tea can relieve arthritis pain, improve digestion, and even fight infections better than some pharmaceuticals. How to use: boil water and pour over sliced ginger. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Add honey or lemon if desired. Drink after meals to aid digestion. Sip in the morning to reduce nausea and inflammation. 2. Green tea, the antioxidant giant. Green tea is one of the most studied beverages on the planet, and for good reason. It's loaded with catechins, particularly EGCG, which boosts metabolism, fights cancer cells, and supports brain function. In fact, research suggests that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of heart disease and Alzheimer's. How to use: heat water to about 80 degrees Celsius 176 degrees Fahrenheit, not boiling. Steep green tea leaves for 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy plain or with lemon. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily for a metabolism boost and brain support. Have it before workouts for fat-burning benefits. 3. Peppermint tea, nature's painkiller. If you suffer from headaches, digestive issues, or muscle pain, peppermint tea might be your best natural remedy. It contains menthol, a natural muscle relaxant that eases tension headaches, relieves bloating, and even helps with IBS symptoms. How to use: boil water and pour over mint leaves. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Drink after meals to relieve bloating and indigestion. Sip when you feel a headache coming on. 4. Chamomile tea, the stress reliever and sleep aid. Struggling with stress or insomnia? Chamomile tea has been used for centuries to promote relaxation. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in your brain, reducing anxiety and improving sleep quality. How to use: pour hot water over chamomile flowers. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Drink 30 minutes before bed for better sleep. Sip during stressful moments to calm the nervous system. 5. Turmeric tea, the natural pain reliever. Turmeric tea is a game-changer when it comes to fighting inflammation. Curcumin, its active compound, has been shown to be as effective as some pain medications in reducing chronic pain and swelling. But here's the key: always pair it with black pepper to increase absorption by 2000%. How to use: mix turmeric and black pepper into hot water or milk. Stir well and let it sit for 5 minutes. Enjoy warm. Drink daily for joint pain relief. Add black pepper for maximum benefits. Nature has given us powerful remedies in the form of tea. Whether you're looking to boost your immunity, ease pain, or improve sleep, these teas can be your go-to medicine. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.